Hello, and welcome to Making Drinks to Drink. Today we are not in my bar, but we're camping. Yes, it is a beautiful weekend, and we're camping. We're enjoying the great outdoors. And I thought I would bring to you my variation of a camping old-fashioned, or like a smoky old-fashioned. So to make what I'm calling a smoky old-fashioned, you need some orange bitters, some sweetener, I'm using honey, an ounce of bourbon, and an ounce of peated Scotch. I think the peatiness of the Scotch is gonna really add to that smokiness that we're gonna give this old-fashioned. And since we don't have an orange peel, that's why we're using the orange bitters. So, let's get started. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean off our glass, out our cup. Oof. We're gonna grab ourselves a coal. Nice good coal. Smoke is coming in my eyes. Okay, so we're gonna get our glass, our cup smoking. I'm gonna add another coal to that. Let's add some good smoke to that. Now this is gonna be our mixing glass, and we're going to do a little bit of honey. Ounce of that Scotch. Some bourbon. Some orange bitters. Let's stir that up. If we add the ice now, it'll really solidify that honey. So we don't want to do that. We want to kind of dry stir it. Now we can add our ice. And there you have my take on a campfire old-fashioned. Let's see how it tastes. That's good. I was a little skeptical. I didn't think that what we had going on over there was gonna add a lot of smokiness. Oh, but wow. That, I mean, you can really, the smoke from the Scotch and the smoke from the coals, it's just, you're drinking a campfire with a little bit of orange and sweetness. Oh wow, that is fantastic. If you're camping, I highly recommend you try this. This is fantastic. I mean, you just can't beat anything like this. This is good. Oh, if you liked this, if you want to see more recipes back in my normal bar, I'll be back at my bar on the next video. But if you like this, make sure you like, subscribe, share. Hit that notification bell so that you can see when we upload the next one, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining.